What if your team could reclaim hours every week, eliminate repetitive tasks, and finally unlock the real power of AI? Introducing the Pulsion AI Readiness Workshop, a focused, high-impact session designed to turn AI from a buzzword into a practical, results-driven strategy for your business. In just 4 hours, we work with your team to uncover where AI and automation can deliver immediate value. We start by aligning on what AI really means for your organization and where you stand today. Then we dive deep into your current processes, identifying bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and the tasks your team shouldn't be spending time on. Next, we map those opportunities based on impact and ease, so you can clearly see where to start and where you'll get the fastest return. From there, we build your AI readiness action plan, prioritized, measurable, and aligned to your business goals. And it doesn't stop there. After the workshop, you receive a tailored, actionable roadmap outlining your top AI initiatives, next steps, and the key enablers needed for success. And if you're thinking AI sounds expensive, it doesn't have to be. The reality is, many of the most effective AI wins come from simple, practical changes, not massive investment. This workshop helps you focus on accessible, high-impact opportunities that deliver value quickly, without overcomplicating or overspending. With decades of transformation experience behind us, we don't just talk about AI, we help you make it work. Ready to move from idea to implementation? Let's get started.